Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to enable your iPhone's camera to shoot pictures in JPEG format instead of HEIC or HEIF format. Okay, so this is my iPhone device, and guys, we are doing it on iOS version 13.7. Okay, so let me show you the iOS version first. So let me open my settings app, and then let me tap on this general, and then let me tap on this about. And you can see guys, here I have this software version. You can see I have iOS version 13.7 installed on this iPhone XR. Okay, so let me go back, let me close the settings app. So let me take one picture from my camera app. So here is my camera app. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys, it's opened. So let me take one picture. It's now taken. So let me close my camera app, and let me show you the format of that, the picture that I took. So let me open this Photos app, and here I have this picture. So let me tap and hold on this, and let me tap on this share, and let me select this save to files. And you can see guys, here I have this HEIC format. Okay, you can see the extension of this image. So let's enable JPEG format. So let me tap on this cancel this link. Let me close this. Okay, let me close this Photos app. So what you need to do guys, you have to open your settings app. So here is my settings app. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys, it's opened, and after that you have to scroll down to camera. Okay, so let me find the camera. You can see guys, here is the camera app. Just tap on this to open it, and after that guys, you have to tap on this formats. Okay, so let me tap on this formats, and here we have this formats screen opened, and here we have this camera capture section. You can see currently I have this high efficiency, this option selected. So what you need to do, you have to select this most compatible. Okay, so just tap on this in order to select that. I just selected this by tapping on it. You can see the check mark next to this most compatible. Okay, and here we have little message. Let's read that. To reduce file size, capture photos and videos in the high efficiency HEIF or HEVC format. Okay, so HEIF for image and HEVC for videos. Okay, so here we have our option most compatible. Most compatible will always use JPEG or H.264. So JPEG is for image and H.264 is for videos. But 4K at 60 FPS and 1080p at 240 FPS requires high efficiency. Okay, and after that you can go back and close your settings app. So let me open my camera app again, and let me take one picture. After that we will check the format of that. Okay, the extension. So let me open my camera app. You can see guys, it's opened. So let me take one picture. It's now taken over here, you can see. So let me close my camera app, and let me open this Photos app. Okay, so here I have this picture. Let me tap and hold on this, and let me tap on this share, and let me scroll down. Let me select this save to files, and you can see guys, the extension of this image. You can see .jpg. So it's now done guys. So that's it. In this way you can easily enable your iPhone's camera to shoot pictures in JPEG format instead of HEIC or HEIF format. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.